Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an Ayurvedic spa at home. I'm going to be testing out a do-it-yourself Fenugreek hair mask, which is great for dandruff and healthy hair growth. I'm going to be doing a Fenugreek face mask, which will soften and brighten the skin. And then to finish it off, I'm going to be using some beautiful natural and organic skincare from Shankara because their skincare is formulated specifically for each of the doshas in Ayurveda. So first, I'm going to do the Fenugreek hair mask. And I learned about this specific recipe from a YouTube video, so I will link that down below to make sure I give proper credit. So to make the hair mask, all you need to do is add 1/4 cup of organic fenugreek seeds to 2 cups of hot water and let that soak overnight. You'll notice the next morning that the seeds are a little bit gelatinous, and I actually love using fenugreek water in my hair as a hair spritz or rinse because it gives me a nice slip that helps detangle, but it's my first time making this particular mask with the seeds. Fenugreek is so beautifying and beneficial for the hair and the skin. Once it's done soaking, you can put the seeds and the water they were soaking in into a blender and blend it into a smooth paste. For me, the hand blender didn't work for this, so I used my Vitamix to get it really smooth, and it creates the most beautiful paste that looks like this. I also saved a bit of the paste so I could make a face mask with it after. Then you will add 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil into the paste. The coconut oil has antifungal properties that will help with dandruff, and it's also really conditioning for the hair. Then you will squeeze half a lemon or lime into the paste. In her video, she says she uses lemon, but I looked and it looked like she was actually using a lime, so I used a lime because that's what I had handy, but I guess you could use whichever one you have. I've read that both lime and lemon are really great for dandruff. And then to make the face mask, I simply added a bit of organic rose nectar into the fenugreek paste. Rose nectar is wonderful for the skin, so I thought that would just be the perfect combination, and the mask smelled so good to me. So now to prepare for the mask, I'm just detangling my hair by brushing it out. And don't mind how oily my hair looks. I was on day 5 hair, so it's not looking that fresh. And then I just gave myself a scalp massage to help stimulate circulation and promote healthy hair growth. I'm using this little electronic head massager from Amazon. This thing is surprisingly incredible. It feels so amazing, and it really massages the scalp well. But of course, you could just use your fingers as well. Then I went ahead and started to apply the mask to my scalp and hair. And just a word of caution, this mask is super messy, so I would recommend doing it in the shower. If I wasn't videoing myself, I would have definitely done it in the shower. And in the video, she recommends wetting your hair before applying this, but I totally forgot to do this because I'm so used to applying my masks to dry hair. So I applied it to my dry scalp, but then when I remembered, I just quickly wet my ends in the sink before applying it to the rest of the length of my hair. And I really focused on coating my scalp. I probably should have sectioned my hair, but I think I was able to coat it pretty well. I love the smell of fenugreek seeds. It's probably one of my favorite smells in the world. And I noticed that a lot of people say they don't like the smell of the fenugreek. So I think that's kind of funny because I just absolutely love it. It reminds me of maple syrup. Maybe it's the Canadian in me. And then I just wrapped my hair into a bun on top of my head, and I secured it with a claw clip. And you can leave this on your hair for about 45 minutes. And then I applied the face mask. I kind of pat it into the skin to really get a good layer on there. And fenugreek is incredible for the skin. It contains vitamin C, which helps brighten the complexion. And the seeds are really great for skin issues like acne. And I also feel it acts as a gentle exfoliant. My skin feels so soft after I do this mask. And I just left it on as long as the hair mask. So after 45 minutes, it's time to jump in the shower and rinse all this fenugreek off. I will say getting the mask out of my hair was quite a challenge. No matter how much I rinsed, I could not get some of those little bits out. As you can see in this video, it was a little bit frustrating. So I eventually ran some conditioner through my hair and just did a mermaid bath and just kind of loosened up all the bits until most of it came out. And it's recommended to just rinse this mask out of your hair and not use shampoo right away. So I just rinsed it out as best as I could, and then I left it for the night, and then the next day I shampooed and conditioned as usual. Now that I've rinsed the mask out of my hair and off my skin, it's time to get into the Ayurvedic Skincare facial. I'm going to be using Shankara's Ayurvedic Skincare products today, and this line is really special because 100% of their net profits goes into humanitarian and educational projects, so they're doing a lot of good around the world, and all their products are natural and made with organic and wild-crafted ingredients, lots of beautiful oils and herbs, and they have products specifically formulated for each of the doshas. And when I took their online quiz, it said I was a pitta dosha for my skin, so I believe I'm a vatta constitution, but then I have pitta skin. I'm still learning about all this. So I already washed my face before applying the Fenugreek mask with their hydrating cleanser. Then I'm just wiping my skin down with a bit of the pure rose organic rose nectar that I used in the face mask just to tone and refresh my skin. And then I'm applying a few drops of the Shankara Fine Line Face Oil, which is for pitta skin. This contains many beautiful ingredients to nourish the skin, like sea buckthorn, rosehip, sandalwood, amla, calendula, evening primrose, turmeric, neem. The list goes on. So I'm just patting that into my skin. And then I'm applying a little bit of the Shankara Anti-Age Eye Cream around my eyes. And this is a tri-dosha formula, so it will work on all the doshas. Some of the key ingredients are hazelnut oil, vitamin C, shea butter, aloe, and many other extracts to help brighten around the eye area. And then on my body, I'm massaging some of their muscle release oil, which is a tri-dosha body oil, and it contains beautiful oils and extracts to help soothe sore muscles and joints. So this was perfect since I had a dance class earlier, and it smells so good. So that's my little at-home Ayurvedic spa. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and feel free to follow me on Instagram. I'll put my details in the description box down below. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!